So just a quick look at Polygon then on our hourly time frame for a nice little daily update. Still very much in our range, as you can see, chopping sideways as we wait for Bitcoin to move up and drag the market higher. We have seen Ethereum start to get some relief off its range low after, being quite bearish along with the rest of the market. Bitcoin chopping sideways at all-time highs over the past, what have we been out? A month? Maybe over a month now. It's getting quite long, isn't it? We've had the halving, obviously, that's come and gone. And right now we are just gearing up for that next move up in the market for Bitcoin. Polygon here waiting for that, and most altcoins in a range like this. Broken out of their downtrend resistance and now back testing and really just looking for that leg up to start breaking above and continuing to the upside. Polygon itself stuck very much in the apex of this big coiling motion it's been in ever since we saw the bear market hit. You can see here this is our daily time frame, and we are waiting for that move finally out of this to the upside for the bull market. Right now that is seeming more and more likely, in my opinion, to be the case. Bitcoin heading up today and looking good, so let's see what we can do.